squat. So guys, mag-isa na tayo. So, lalalain natin is habol-habol. Hindi ko alam ito basta habol-habol. So yan, let's go start it. Huwag tayo dyan. Yeah! Nasida ang mata. Go find him and sundaan na ito. Ay, dito pala. Yay! Ayoko na. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Mapi. Masugar ang matang. Bada, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Ay. Unfinished product and I'm gonna... Poster! Andranos! What's the highest animals in the world? Ang matang. It's slowly because dangerous. Oh, I see you, bitch. Huwag ka manilig. Manilig si kuya, ate. No. Please, I have a corn. Dita. Okay. Masida ang matang. Oh, bye, Sophie. No. Stop it. Shut up. Get out of my way. What the... Stupid. What the... Guys, I win! No way! Haha. You gonna know lose me. I told you, no! Yes! Yeah. Oh, aim mo. Nobody ang mata. Where's the way, guys? I don't know. Maybe may mga warrior. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Bro, you go first, bro. Hey, yo! Mati. Haha. You lose. Freaking shut up. Yeah, go! Please go. Kamong babanas. Everybody, let's go. Kami magpasay. Shut up. Get out of my way, bro. You're not scared, good. I'm scared now, so no! I'm so scared, bro. Bro! Uh-oh. Bro, no! Hey! You're not strong, big boy. Haha. You're gonna make lose. Stupid. Oh. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you see a wave? A blush. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna scared. Like my heart is going attack on me. No, stop it. I'm scared. Hey, you. Wala ko dito kanina. Nakakainis ko. Get out my way, bitches. Yes. Stage 4, yes. Ito, tamang baris. Ito, guys, dito ako na-scared because, you know. Ano ba? Dali pala. No, freak. Bro, I'm scared because... No! Ano ka ngayon? I'm scared! Bro, stop it! I don't like it, bro. No, it's not on my way. Get out here. No, it's not you. My bad. Where is she? Oh, I'm scared about this. I'm scared. You said that, huh? And I'm scared this. No! I'm just not so loud for viewing this over. I'm scared because I don't know how it's real. Huh? Sabi ko, I'm scared because I don't know where is the final. Where is the final, bro? Where? No, stupid. Can you see a way up, bro? Oh, no, namboboso siya. Oh, it's parkour. Yeah. No! Get off my way! Oh, di na ako pinapantan. Okay, guys, we're back. Did you miss that? This is this. Oh my god, I'm scared, really. I'm scared, guys. Guys, you know why I'm scared? Because it's so hard, like, bro, it's so hard, impossible. Get out of my way, bro. You're so ugly. Yeah. I'm going. I know. No, it's so bright. We're back. Did you miss us? Doesn't miss you. Uh-oh. It's so hurt. I don't like this, OV. I just don't like this. Bro, stop like that. Don't move. Hey, you, stop. Nasundan niya ako, kas na ako. No! Hindi pala. Hey, yo! I don't like that. Okay. Tapos yung laro to, ayoko na. Hey! Legit me! Hey, yo. You're so ugly. Yeah. Kukunin lang natin yung isa dito kasi nga, you know. Bye-bye guys. And yeah, goodbye. Good boy guys. And thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Like and share and subscribe for more videos.